Alright, has your Android Studio finished creating your project? Yeah, if it is, then let's continue. Let's take a look at the Android Studio user interface. Yeah, at the left-hand side, you will have a Project Explorer panel or Project Explorer window, yeah, which will list your projects so far and some Kotlin files here, and we have a folder res. It's resources, yeah, short for resources. We will talk about the Android project structure later. At the center of the Android Studio, this is where we will code our application, yeah, writing the Kotlin codes necessary for our applications. And then at the up hand side, then we can run or debug our application. We have also AVD, SDK, and so on. Yeah, we will talk about it later. And we have what we call the logcat at the bottom side. It is by default not open, but you can open it later. And you can also close it if you need some space. Yeah. Logcat is actually a tool which can read messages and services running on the emulator or any connected devices. Yeah. Logcat is important for debugging our running applications. Yeah, so sometimes we must take a look at logcat, especially when our application suddenly close. Yeah, it is called force close. If there is something wrong with our application, it force closes, then the error will be displayed here. Yeah, but later you will see that there are so many lines here in the logcat window. Yeah, don't be overwhelmed when you find hundreds of lines of text here. Yeah, text, yeah, not text. Text here, when you start your emulator device, then can be filtered and searched as well. Yeah, later I will tell you how to use this logcat, yeah, especially if I have some errors in my application. Okay, so this is the Android project structure, but what you see here is actually not the actual Android project structure or the project folder structure. Yeah, they are structured this way for easier access and categorization. So here in the app folder, we have manifest, which holds essential information for our apps. Then we have Java or Kotlin code files in the Java folder, and then our package name. Yeah, there are some packages here, but for our code, there are put inside the com.upaya.hello world app, for example, yeah, they are put inside the package file which does not end with anything else. Yeah, so here, for example, you can see that I have my package id.web.rpgfantasy.hello Android. Yeah, but I have two more packages, which is Android test and test. Please don't bother with these two. Yeah, for now, we will only use this package. If we want to create new class, for example, we will create it over here. Yeah, not in the Android test or the test folder. And then, yeah, we have a res folder. Res is resources. We have drawable, which is image assets. Layout, which is UI layouts. We will talk about it later on this course. Yeah, and then for the map, it is the app launcher icon. And for values, it is a predefined data, constants, colors, styles, and so on. Yeah, the actual project structure or the folder structure is something like this. Yeah, you can switch it if you want. For now, if you switch to project view, then this is the actual structure for our application. Yeah, as you can see here, we have so many folders and the level may be very deep enough. Yeah. So for example, if I want to open my activity, I must open the app folder first, then src source, then main, then Java, then my package. Yeah, compared to if I switch to Android view, yeah, I only need to open Java, then my package name. Yeah, it is simpler to work in Android view instead of project view. Okay, then let's take a look at the SDK Manager. Yeah, the Android SDK Manager helps us downloading SDK tools, platforms, other components required to develop Android applications. Yeah, you can access the SDK Manager by clicking this icon. Yeah, the box, and we have down arrow. Yeah, this is the SDK Manager. You can open it for now. Yeah, and then we are greeted with the SDK Manager. So Android SDK, yeah, or Android Software Development Kit is actually a development tools which contains libraries, emulators, debuggers, documentations, and so on to help us develop Android applications. And of course, every version of the Android has more features compared to the previous API. Yeah, for now, you may have already some API installed, maybe Android 11, yeah, or 12 preview. Yeah, usually I stay away from the preview API. Yeah, so because it is not really stable for everyday use. Yeah, maybe you can stay at Android 11, but if you are curious enough, then you can install Android 12 preview. Yeah, I will assume that we will use Android 11 instead, or you can also install any other Android version, yeah? Okay, so if I want to develop for Marshmallow devices or maybe Oreo or Android Pie, yeah, do I really need to install API 24? Yeah, API 24 Marshmallow here. Oh, 23, not 24, yeah? 24 is Android 7 or Nougat. Yeah, the answer really depends on the features we want to use on the specific API. Yeah, if we want to create applications that are able to read user fingerprints, for example, yeah, we must use the API level 24 at the minimum. Yeah, if we only need standard features that are available for every Android versions, then we can use lower API level. Yeah, remember, higher API level means more features to use, but lower API levels means more devices that can install our application. Yeah. If you want, you can take a look at the comparison of features for each Android versions here. Okay, I think that's all about the Android SDK Manager. Yeah, as well as installing some SDK here. You can also install another tools here. Yeah, but for now, please leave it as it is. Yeah, unless there are updates. Yeah, if there are updates, then you can update it. But for now, at least leave them selected. Yeah, you don't really need to install anything else. Yeah, so you can safely close this window. Okay. Okay, that's all about Android Studio UI. Yeah. In the next two videos, we will learn how to actually run our application, yeah, either using the emulator or using real device. Yeah, on the next video, we will talk about running our application using emulator first. Yeah, please don't go anywhere. Let's continue on the next video.